Good day, everyone. My name is Engineer Kene. I've come once again today to teach you. Today, we want to discuss a topic in further mathematics. The topic we are going to discuss is called what? Polynomials. I believe that you must have heard of polynomials on several occasions, and probably you are finding polynomials very difficult. Follow me. Let me show you the easy way of solving polynomials. Let's go. All right, we have example 1. Sometimes in polynomial, you may have a question like this. The question says, obtain the quotient and remainder on dividing this by this. If you have something like this, how do we go about it? All right, dividing this by this. That means this one is dividing this. I would have loved to solve it here, but this place will not be enough. So I prefer to start from there. All right, when you have something like this, I like ruling this. We have like this. Can you see? So what you are going to write here is the divisor. That is the one that is dividing. Then this one, the one that is getting divided. All right, which one is dividing? They said by this. That means this one is dividing. So I will write, I have a x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus 1. That is the one that is what? Dividing. Can you see that? And what is this thing dividing? It is dividing this one. So we have 4x raised to power 3 plus we have 3x raised to power 2 minus we have 2x, then we have plus 1 like this. Can you see that? All right, so how do we go about it? Anything we get, we'll be writing on top here. All right, so after what we get will be the quotient, while the remainder should be below here. Follow me, I will show you how it can be solved. So if you want to divide now, you only use this x that has the highest power to be dividing, only this one. Don't use this, don't use that. Only this one that has the highest power. That is what you use to divide. If it's x that has power of 3, that is the maximum, use it to be dividing. If it's x that has power of 2, is the maximum, use it to be dividing. If it's x that has power of 1, is the maximum, use it to be dividing. That is that unknown with highest power. That is what you'll be using to be dividing this. So looking at this now, x raised to power 2 and x raised to power 1. This one has the maximum what? Power. So we will be using this to be dividing. All right, so we use this now. X raised to power 2. Use it to divide this. When you use x raised to power 2 to divide this, what are we going to get? We are going to get 4x. We are going to get 4x. So we use this to multiply this. So 4x times, we are using this now to be multiplying everything we have here. 4x times x raised to power 2 will give us 4x raised to power 3. Can you see that? Then use 4x to multiply this. 4x times 2x, it will give us plus, we have 8. We have 8x raised to power 2. Can you see that? Then we say 4x times minus 1, it will give us minus 4x. Can you see that? So we are using this to multiply this, we get this. Use this to multiply this, you get this. Use this to multiply this, you get that. So after this now, you subtract. You write subtraction and subtract this. So 4x raised to power 3 minus 4x raised to power 3, that will give us 0. All right. So you now say 3x raised to power 2 minus 8x raised to power 2. That will give us, we have minus 5x raised to power 2. Can you see that? All right. So next one we have is this. We have 2x minus 2x minus 4x minus 2x. This which is this one minus 4x. You know, minus 4x will change. It will become what? Plus. Look at it. We have something like this. Minus. We have this minus 4x. Can you see? This minus this. This minus this. This will give us. We have like this Opening this bracket, you have this. Can you see that? Can you see that? All right. So we say minus 2x plus 4x. That will give us what? We have 2x. Can you see? So that means that minus 2x minus 4x will give us, we have plus 2x like this. Can you see that? Then you bring down your what? Your 1 like this. Can you see it? All right. So look at the new one we have here. This one. So this will divide again. This x raised to power 2 will divide again. When x raised to power 2 divides this, we are going to have what? Minus 5. Can you see that? X raised to power 2 dividing this, we are going to have minus 5. So use minus 5 to multiply everything you have here. Minus 5 times x raised to power 2, that will give us minus 5x raised to power 2. Then you say minus 5 times plus 2x, it will give us minus 10x. Can you see? And you say minus 5 times minus 1, it will give us plus 5 like this. Can you see that? Then you subtract again. All right. So what do we have here? We have minus 5x raised to the power 2 minus this. This minus going with this will make it plus. So we now have, look at it here. We have minus 5x raised to the power 2 minus, you have minus this. Can you see that? So this will change. It will become like this. Can you see it? So you have like this. All right, so minus 5x raised to the power 2 plus 5x raised to the power 2 automatically is going to give us what? 0. All right, so subtracting this, we are going to get 0 here, this place. So we consider this one. This one gives us 2x minus, we have minus 10x. So opening this, we have like this, plus we have this. Can you see that? Which should give us what? 12x. So it means that this minus this will give us what? 12x. Can you see that? All right, so we have 12x here. So next one we have, we say 1 minus 5. It will give us what? Minus 4. Can you see that? All right, so we have minus 4. When you look at this minus, when you look at this 12x minus 4, you notice that the maximum power of x here is what? 1. That this x raised to power 2 has higher power than this one. So that means that you stop dividing. You stop dividing when this thing that is dividing has higher power than this. That's when you stop. All right, so at this point we stop here because this cannot divide this anymore. What you have here is the quotient, and what you have here is the remainder. So you say that the quotient, you have quotient like this, is equals to what we have here. We have 4x minus 5. We have the remainder. We have the remainder to be equals to this. We have 12x minus what? 4. Can you see that? Is it clear? So the quotient is this. Why the remainder is this one. All right. I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Bye.